Kadon kekendon kebakang ikinong tri sarkar bakimla banyadan benta hagi kamsan pertai bat kimla hiru benikonik election kat bagi dangdon hakakam. Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulamaham tengek bagi sarkar jela kan map setia kinu kinong tri sarkar neki officer sarkar ke beshim benta hagi kamsan himasima kat bagi dangdon hakakam. Lada ke sarkar kayo pediang ya keno kejing ujor. Kat bagi sni kelajan banlong ke election MLA Arhajar Arpulai. Bongi kubor kila sapriang sepang kejing temu kinong tri sarkar ke hek sarkar banikonik election MLA harilom kasi bat garo. Bat keladon ru geji keren ya khana babon ki hek sarkar kila penkrek banikonik election bat keladon ru gebelanut baniat cekmat ban penito elade kumgi kertong wala kidang dei kinong tri sarkar. Bat keladep ru banrung sop kumgi dekhot jong kiseng sang pertai. Nagaliang Menteri Rangba Kejela kalong ke AKA ke Bomdai ulong bagi nong tri sarkar kinrung haga kamsan perthai kat bagi dang dei higi nong tri sarkar kamtam habaki kenon an jong service rules kila batai syai kedar bagi nong tri sarkar kemla bandon nerung haga no kesengsan perthai ni banlet yalap election kat bagi dang don haga kam ulong bagi nong tri sarkar kila banikonik election nerung haga kamsan perthai hadian bikila syong that haga kam sarkar. Henry kat bagi dangdon hakakam kimla ban penyeso bat kanu kesengsan perthai. Bat kide ban shimno daka voluntary retirement scheme ni kide ban cui no ben no ekakam. Menteri Rangba ulong balada ke sarkar kleo pediang gijing ujor rengkat bat ki sabut ki babiang bagi nong tri sarkar ki badan bentah ki kamsan perthai. Ka sarkar kan le daga bateng ya kini kinong tri sarkar.
Like we have seen there are some government officials who have started campaigning for themselves without tiring of taking any VRS. So what step will the government take on this?
You see, as a government employee, it would be incorrect as per the rules and procedures to campaign or support any political party or campaign for oneself as a candidate. So the right process would be to take voluntary retirement or after your service period is over, then you are free to contest. So therefore, if there are any individuals who are in any kind of activity like that, then obviously necessary process and necessary actions will be taken by the concerned department. So if there are any complaints like that, we'll look into the matter.